Good day! So ngayon ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano mag-graph ng ellipse. So bago tayo mag-graph ng ellipse, we have to understand first kung ano yung dalawang standard form niya. Actually, meron lang siyang isang standard form, pero atin tingnan kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng ating graph. So, for example, we have yung ating standard form na h minus h squared all over a squared plus y minus k squared all over b squared is equal to 1. Kapag ang ating a ay mas malaki sa ating b, so ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng horizontal na ellipse. Kapag naman nagkaroon tayo ng x minus h squared all over a squared plus y minus k squared all over b squared is equals to 1. At kapag mas malaki naman yung ating b, ibig sabihin yung ating ellipse ay pa vertical. So yan yung magiging forms niya. So let's have first yung ating example. Let's graph x squared all over 25 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. So paano natin siya i-graph? So first, let's determine ano nga pa yung mas malaki, yung a na 25 or yung b na 16. So all we know is that 25 is greater than 16. So ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng or a ng horizontal na ellipse. And then we will determine kung ano yung ating values of a and b. So since ang ating a squared is equal to 25, we will have a is equal to 5. And since we have b squared is equal to 16, ang b natin will be equal to 4. So kung nagtataka kayo kung paano yon, yung a squared natin ay in-square root lang natin. So the square root of 25 is equal to 5 and the square root of 16 is equal to 4. And then let's write this on our standard form. So we will have x minus 0, since wala kasama tayong h, squared all over 5 plus y minus 0 squared all over 4 is equal to 1. So since yung ating a ay 5 at horizontal yung ating magiging graph, and we know that yung center, since 0 ang ating walang kasamang coefficient yung ating given, so ang ating center is at the origin, which is equal to 0, 0. So ito yung ating center. And then coming from the center, bibilang lang tayo ng 5. Since take note na yung major axis natin is at x-axis. Major axis natin is at x kasi horizontal. So ibig sabihin, bibilang tayo ng 5 mula dun sa center. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have, mula sa pakanan, papunta naman tayo sa kaliwa. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yung vertex natin is at, yung ating x is at 5. And ang ating y-axis is at 0. Ito yung ating vertex 1. Ang ating vertex 2. And then yung vertex 2 natin is at negative 5, 0. Ito, lagyan natin ng note that this is 5, 0. Ang atin namang cover text ay yun namang B, which is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin, mula center, bibilang tayo ng plus 4 at saka magmaminus tayo ng 4. So, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito ay nasa 0, positive 4. And then, bibilang naman tayo ng 4 pababa. So, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is 0, negative 4. So, ang ating cover text is at 0, 4, and 0, negative 4. So, ang gagawin natin, we will just smoothly trace yung ating points para mag-graph yung ating ellipse. So, yan yung ating ellipse. And then, meron tayong tinatawag na foci. Yung foci natin is equal to C, or yung formula niya is A squared minus B squared. So, yung ating A squared ay 25. Ito yun, 25 minus 16. And 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. And square root of 9 is equal to 3. So, yung foci natin ay 3. Ibig sabihin, bibilang tayo mula sa center ng 3. And yung ating major axis, tatandaan lagi, is at x-axis. So, ibig sabihin, mula sa x, na center natin, bibilang tayo ng 3. So, we will have 1, 2, 3. So, this is yung isang foci, and then 1, 2, 3. This is our foci. And that is the graph of our x squared over 25 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. Let's have another example. Let's graph x squared over 9 plus y squared over 25 is equal to 1. So first, let's determine kung ano nga bang axis niya or ano nga bang kind of graph niya. Isa ba siyang vertical ellipse or horizontal ellipse? So all we know that 9 is less than 25. So ibig sabihin, yung A natin is less than B. So ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo ng vertical major axis. Vertical major axis, yung patayo na ellipse. So, let's rewrite the equation by having x minus h squared all over b squared plus y minus k squared all over a squared is equal to 1. Since vertical major axis tayo or vertical ellipse, so mauna yung ating b. And then, we will have yung b natin, b squared is equal to 25. And then, yung ating y, ang ating a squared is equal to 9. And b is equal to 5. And a is equal to 3. Since alam natin na yung ating ellipse ay vertical or patayo, ating malalaman na yung center niya. Yung center natin, since wala ulit siyang kasama na coefficient, will be at 0, 0. Since this is 0, 0, ang ating center is at this point, sa origin. And then, coming from the origin, take note because we have vertical major axis, bibilang tayo ng 5 units pataas and pababa or nasa y-axis since siya ay nasa vertical major axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4